Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your MetaMask wallet and secret recovery phrase. To back up your MetaMask wallet and secret recovery phrase is a crucial step so that you can access your wallet and its content safely. First of all, launch open MetaMask application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on Settings at the bottom right. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Security and Privacy. Now, you will be able to see the Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase button. Tap on that and click on Get Started. Answer some of the questions, and then, once you do that, on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password to reveal your secret recovery phrases. Make sure nobody is looking at your screen. MetaMask support will never request this. Type down your password to reveal your secret recovery phrases in the text box and click on Next. You now need to hold the lock button in the pop-up to reveal your secret recovery phrase. Blur गरिदिनु है यो recovery phrases परेड salt. Once you find your recovery phrases, click on Copy to Clipboard and paste in the recovery phrases in the exact order in a secure area. You can also write down the 12-word phrases in the exact order and keep it in a lockbox or a safe deposit box. Remember, you should never share your recovery phrases with anyone. This may lead to scams and loss of funds. Backing up your MetaMask wallet's secret recovery phrase is a fundamental step in safeguarding your digital assets. By following the steps above, you can ensure that your wallet remains secure and recoverable in case of foreseen events. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.